cap. This is the cap. This is the cap.
What you thought it was? You thought it was an act? Not at all. Wrong click. Go the other way. Let's get it.
This was the problem I was having. Water is coming out of this piece, which that's what it's supposed to do. And it's not supposed to be coming down, weighing on the floater. So, figuring this must be broke or got a hole in it or something. It's messed up on it. I'm not sure if that can be fixed, but they so cheap I'm gonna just replace it. And I also noticed too, it won't stop. Because I kept hearing the toilet run and run for a long time. And it made me check. So there was a lot of wasted water going down. And it wasn't the flap. The flap is cool. So this thing never stopped. So I'm going to shut the water off. The main water off down there. Flush this out as much as possible. And I'm going to take my shop vac and get the rest of the water out because I have to remove this. That's the new float system part. Washer at the bottom. This is to hold the hose to that tank thing. Washer. Come with a new one of those. Come with this. Alright, that hose go on there. That goes on like that. And we're just twisting this piece off right here. And it's gonna be a little water trying to come out and get a bucket. Got that piece off. Here's a little screw, not a screw, but a little plastic washer that holds it in. Twist that off. And that's what that is. Then the whole piece comes out. That's what the new one looks like again. So Billy, you're gonna drop this in, and then you're gonna twist this part on the bottom. So don't worry about how it's placed. Just turn this one like that way. Alright, so now you gotta lock that on the bottom. Screw that up. So make sure you get that tight on the bottom all the way. Okay, now that hose, the metal, the water line hose at the bottom. This piece is like this. Got that. So we'll adjust that if we need to. And now we got everything tight down there. Now we're gonna cut the water back on. No leaks coming out of that. Stopped at the water field. Was pretty close. Okay, let's flush this. That's good. to adjust it if you need to. I'm not going to adjust mine. I'm going to leave it that way. But this is the adjuster right here. Alright, we'll move flush. Alright, that's it.